Hello, all of my fountain pen enthusiasts over there. Today I have an unboxing for you, the LAMY AION.
Okay, hello my audience and all of my fountain pen riders. Today I have a new fountain pen over here. I have used Parker pens for the longest time, but today and now I'm trying out a new brand, LAMY, design made in Germany, and this is the AION model. And I also got some notebooks and some ink for the thing. And you also have one of these really dark blue inks in the box. Oh, and these notebooks, they have this interesting, pattern on the paper. Very, very different. So this pen doesn't have a screw top, it just, with friction. And I like this pen the most from the LAMY pens because this part is flush. And we can look at the nib before we put the ink into this pen. It's stainless steel. I think there's no flex in it. It's kind of different from the Parker pens. I'm gonna show them in the last part of this video. There's a threading over here, and there's no need to wash that because this is the first ink cartridge we're gonna use. So there's no need to wash that. And we just put in the cartridge from this box over here. I got green ones and I got purple ones. Those are my favorite colors, and I really dig that everything that this manufacturer makes is made in Germany. That's kind of different. I don't know if this. No, actually, these are made in Italy, but that's like a higher quality country than, for example, Moleskine notebooks. They are made in Taiwan. You push in the ink like that, and it opens up the top of the ink cartridge. There's a plastic thing that is punched open by this piece over here. Then you screw it back in. Okay, and then we start writing. And I'm left-handed, by the way. I want to tell you a story. And the paper and this, there's kind of a tooth and a grit to it. It's kind of a rougher paper and a rougher feel than Moleskine and Parker, but I kind of like it, The feel of the pen feels very robust, like the ergonomics of this thing are amazing. And here's the whole pen for you.
And one of the reasons also that I bought this pen instead of some other pen was that it was a completely matching type and a completely suitable for my awesome, beautiful designer Italian suit, Like, man, that looks freaking good. Thanks for watching. That's the LAMY AION. And this pen wasn't that expensive, it was 50 euros for me. So that's not much, for a fountain pen. And it looks beautiful. I hope it writes beautiful too. Let's start and let's become writers together.
I found the designer's name and picture and his thoughts on their website. I could show them to you over here also. So they even tell you who designed this freaking thing, and I think this is the kind of the best LAMY design there is because of this flush part over here. So it feels very ergonomic.
Okay, so you can see their website over here, LAMY AION, simply modern. And the main part is that there are these color options that you have. I got this one, and over here we have the designer named Jasper Morrison, and he talks about in this kind of a blog post thing his thoughts about this pen. So you can find this information at the description. And yeah, that's the LAMY AION for you. Thanks for watching this video.